In order to get the dynamic wallpaper on POCO F7, first of all, we need to open the settings. Now in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then we want to go to personalization. If you scroll down over here, you should be able to find AI dynamic wallpapers. If you go over here for the first time, we need to press agree, then we can press start. And of course, we need to sign into our Xiaomi account. So you can try to, for example, sign in with Google. But first we need to select over here that we read and agree to the Xiaomi account user agreement and the privacy policy. So after that, once again, we're gonna press start. And we have a couple of AI generated wallpapers that we can use. For example, this one over here, we need to grant permission, of course. As you can see, we have these moving clouds. However, you can also try to create your own animation by pressing this plus button, and then you can choose your own photo from gallery. Ideally, you want to use a landscape, city, plant, or cars, as they are mostly supported right now. Perhaps in the future, of course, more categories will be included. So I just took a simple photo, and let's see how it's gonna work. So of course, it will take a moment before the animation is created. So over here, we're gonna press generate. We can also zoom in and zoom out in order to adjust the photo. And then let's press generate to see how it works. And there we go, I got results. Of course, it doesn't look that awesome. You can see that, for example, wheels are changing. The car is just rotating slightly. But in theory, it works, so we can press apply. Of course, you can get different results in your case. But let's take a look at this one, for example. We're just gonna press apply over here. You can set it for both lock screen, home screen, or just one or the other. And that's pretty much it. Once it is applied, you can have it in the home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.